Welcome home to 406 Bohol Circle Lane in the Alameda Landing development, located on the exclusive and private Rectangle Park. Easily access the first floor through the parkside front door or your two-car garage, and be welcomed into an open floor plan with a massive kitchen featuring top-of-the-end appliances and a giant countertop, perfect for entertaining while guests flow in and out to the private side yard through floor-to-ceiling accordion glass doors. The spacious middle floor shares 3 bedrooms, an office space, and a laundry room. 2 of the bedrooms share a Jack and Jill double sink, full bathroom. And the owner's suite offers views of Rectangle Park, and a spa-like bathroom with a walk-in closet, offering peace and tranquility. The top floor of this stunning property offers an ensuite room with full bath, walk-in closet, and views. Alameda Landing is situated on the quickly developing west side of Alameda, yards away from shopping, entertainment, and restaurants. Wineries, distilleries, and breweries beckon only a mile away, or you can choose to enjoy the rich naval history with some of the best city views. This side of the island also offers 2 ferry stations only a few minutes away to get you quickly to San Francisco, as well as a free shuttle bus to take you to BART, allowing you access to the entire Bay Area quickly and efficiently. Come and enjoy and explore your new home in the most exciting area that Alameda has to offer.